beautiful, beautiful angel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys know, I'm Lexy the Slime Princess. And today, what I'm going to be doing is making some clay slime. So let's get on to the video. Okay, I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients that you need to make clay slime. So as you guys know, you need a bowl, you need a spatula, you need clay, because you have to make clay slime. That's the most important thing. You need a bowl. Inside my bowl, a container. I have brown paints because I want to make a chocolate one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. And I have a container to put the slime after. And then I have some activator. I use Tide. I have some lotion, baby lotion, and I have some Elmer's glue. So let's start making slime. Okay, so what you need first is to add the glue. Sorry about the banging. Add the glue. You can put as much as you want. I want only a little bit. That's enough. And then we're going to be adding some lotion, a little bit. That's enough. Now let's mix. After the lotion, you are going to be adding some paint. Comment down below what color you like. I like pink, purple, I like every color. I'm going to put a little bit for now to see how it looks. A little bit at a time. It's a really pretty color. I want it to be like a chocolate slime, you know? It's a pretty color. Look at this, guys. Can you guys see it? Comment down below. It's like a brownish color. I'm gonna put some more. Okay, that should be enough. Well, you want enough because if you add the clay is white, and when the clay is white, it's gonna make this white too. Okay, now you're going to be adding some activator. Put some a little bit at a time, because if you put way too much activator, it will become like overactivated. Come together, guys. Can you see it? Like a brownish color. Looks cute. Okay. Okay, we need some more. We need like a little bit more. Like that's enough. We're gonna over deactivate it because when you put the air dried clay into this, it makes it really sticky. So we're gonna put like a lot of activator. The whole thing. That should be good. Okay, now let's mix with our hands. Looks good. Whoa, what the? Okay. It's coming together, guys. See you when it's done. Okay guys, so now it's all good and look at how it is. ASMR. So this is how the slime went. It looks so cute. Okay guys, now we're done playing with this and we are going to be adding some clay. Air dry clay. Wait, one more ASMR. Oh my god, isn't that so good? Okay, we're gonna put that in the front and we're gonna be opening the air dry clay. I think that's enough. I'm just kidding guys. That's way too much. You should put it down much, like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's how much you should put. Close the air dry clay. And now we are going to be putting this in a circle. Okay, bring the slime closer. It's a little sticky now. It's gonna be even stickier when we mix this. So put in. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is really sticky now. Okay guys, how many times do I say okay guys? Comment down below, how many times do I say okay guys? Okay guys, now let's put the Daiso clay here and the slime. Let's mix. I can already feel it. It's getting stickier guys. It's getting really sticky. Oh my gosh. I could feel it already. Don't you see the chunks, guys? Like, look at the chunks. It's getting stickier and stickier. Before it gets really sticky, I'm gonna put some Tide because you don't want it to get sticky. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm still mixing it. It's getting together, guys. It feels like regular slime. Okay guys, so this is how the slime looks. It's really stretchy. And we're gonna be ending this video here, right now. Thank you guys all so much for the subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that notifications so you can get every video that I post. Make sure you give a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye!